Want to improve your mainframe database efficiency, save money on I/O, and do that with no outages? Join me for a quick look at Block Size Alter 24/7, a feature of CA Datacom DB 15.1. Your databases. Your entire business depends on them for everything. Over the years, as you were running your business, hardware capacity increased and software advanced, and your record sizes and databases grew along with them. And just like everyone else, you ended up with records in different size blocks. It just happens. Is that bad? Well, making data blocks the same size and the right size for your data enables better buffer pool usage. This can mean less I/O over time, and that's money back in your pocket. But your databases are large, and you don't have time for downtime. How can you reset block sizes but keep your database up for business? It turns out that most sites will settle on 2 to 4 different block sizes, but what should those block sizes be? Here's where upgrading to CA Datacom DB 15.1 can really help you. CADB Utility contains an analysis function called DataScan Size Area that will help you take good decisions on block sizes. The report shows you the space required to hold 100% of the rows at the time the report is run. You'll want to add some percentage of space based on how fast your database is growing. Typically, you'd add 20 to 25% as a starting point. You need to know that there are some costs related to running Block Size Alter. For example, each row movement is logged, so there will be some I/O there. The parameters to enable Block Size Alter are startup parameters, so you'll need to cycle your MUF to get started. And depending on what else is running, you may need to plan for some delays in processing. If no other maintenance is running at the same time, Block Size Alter leaves the rows in pristine native key sequence. It's like getting an online reorg at the same time you reset block sizes. For more details on running Block Size Alter in the most efficient way, view the WebEx recording by clicking here, or review the topic Performing a Block Size Alter 24/7 or Online Table Move in DocOps. Both links are in the description. Upgrade to CA Datacom DB 15.1 today to take advantage of this new feature. Thanks for watching.